Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek, and today's video I'm going to show you how to change your bidding, how to change your bid strategy. Really simple, really fast video. This is more for beginner based. So before I get into that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Check out the links in the description. Lots of free trainings, courses, application to work with us, all kinds of cool stuff. So make sure you check that out. All right, let's get right into this. This is going to be a quick video because this literally takes 2 seconds. So log into your Google Ads account. You can see here in our demo account we have all of our different campaigns. So let's open up an account, or I'm sorry, a campaign. So log into your campaign. You're going to come over here to settings and let Google do its thing, opening that up, right? Here, bidding, change bid strategy, and here you go. Now you have a list of all the different bid strategies available to you via Google Ads. If you don't know how any of these work, go to the ClicksGeek channel, and I believe the playlist for bidding or bid strategies, it's called, something like that. I walk through each one of these and how they work and our experience with using each one of them. So that's how you change your bid strategy. Again, short video, but if you want to see how to change your actual keyword bid, right? So if you, let's say you chose manual CPC, let's save that. Here's how you would change your keyword bid. So your bids are set at the ad group level. So the easiest way to change them all at once, and this will also change all of the the keyword bids too. Really easy little trick to do that. In case you're a newbie who doesn't know how to do this, check the top box. It selects all the ad groups. Edit. Move my head out of the way. Change bids. Set new bids, and you set your bid here for whatever you want to set your bids at. And if you don't know what to set your bids at, that's another video. Go to our playlist, setting bids, and I go through how you find and set initial keyword bids. But to change them all at once, so you put in your bid here, apply. Google works its magic behind the scenes. There you go. Now all of your ad group default max CPC bids are set. And if you go into your keywords, you'll see that they are all set the same as well. And obviously you don't have to do the same bid for every ad group or different keywords. You can change them at the ad group level. So let's say we wanted to bid cheaper for this one. We would change that to $5, the rest are 12. Go into that ad group. You'll see here the keywords are all changed. Now let's say you have a keyword that's doing really well and sending you a ton of leads for cheap. You come in here and edit the actual keyword to bid more, whatever you want to increase the bid to, and you can bid higher on just that one keyword. So that's how you'll change your bid strategies and how you can adjust your ad group and keyword level bids. Really basic stuff, guys, very simple. That's pretty much it. That's all I got in this video. So if you have any questions, obviously drop them in the comment section below. If you are looking for some help running your ads, you can apply to work with us below. If you want to learn how to do this yourself, how to create Google Ads campaigns, stuff like that, we have courses and free training videos. I think our YouTube channel has like 1,000, 1,200 videos, something like that now. So there's tons of free training on our channel. Just kind of cruise through and just see what you like. There's a bunch of videos where I build campaigns from A to Z, from scratch, brand new campaigns. You can kind of just follow along with me as I do them if you want to do them yourself. All right, guys, I'll see you later.